Red is profound, flowing, and radiant. It's the essence of life's vitality. It's the energy of surging passion. This stroke of red is the original hue of Sinoboom soul. It's the starting point, the original aspiration, and the fervent conviction rooted in our industry. As sun and moon takes turns and winds and waves intertwine, the king returns. From the red, new flames arise. History speaks to the future. As legacy merges with wisdom, the classic red salutes unwavering commitment. With innovative green, we set sail toward the future. We harness color aesthetics to express Sinoboom's brand philosophy. With relentless commitment, we renew the coating. Cutting-edge craftsmanship forges a feather-light armor. Strict quality control empowers enduring durability. Engineered to withstand extreme environments, endure the test of time, and lead a new intelligent experience. The color transformation, together with 3-second rapid identification of powder type, is enabled by dual color system and triple label decoding. As red flames surge anew to disrupt tradition with technology, Sinoboom elevates color beyond chromatic boundaries, revolutionizes visual functionality, and ignites an intelligent future with reborn vitality. Red Flame Reborn, intelligence leads the future.